Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of ancient wood and uncover the secrets of the oldest type of wood ever discovered. Get ready to travel back in time and witness the wonders of ancient forests. Let's dive in. When it comes to the oldest type of wood, we have to venture into the realm of fossilized or petrified wood. Petrified wood is formed when organic material, such as trees or plants, undergoes a process called petrification over an extended period of time. Some of the oldest petrified wood specimens found date back millions of years, taking us back to ancient eras when dinosaurs roamed the earth. These ancient wood fossils offer us a glimpse into the distant past and the forests that flourished long before our time. One of the most famous sites for ancient wood fossils is the Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona. This park is home to an incredible collection of petrified wood that dates back over 200 million years to the late Triassic period. Imagine walking among the remnants of forests that existed during the age of dinosaurs. But the discovery of ancient wood is not limited to one location. Petrified wood can be found all around the world, each with its own unique characteristics and geological history. For example, the Triassic-aged petrified forest in Germany showcases beautifully preserved wood from around 230 million. Now, it's important to note that when we talk about the oldest type of wood, we are referring to the age of the preserved material rather than the specific tree species it originated from. The type of wood can vary depending on the region and geological era in which it was formed. Scientists study these ancient wood specimens to gain insights into Earth's history, the evolution of forests, and even climate conditions that existed millions of years ago. By examining the cellular structure and chemical composition of petrified wood, they can unlock valuable information about our. In conclusion, the oldest type of wood that has been discovered is often found in the form of petrified wood, with specimens dating back millions of years. These ancient treasures take us on a journey through time, allowing us to connect with the distant past and marvel at the wonders of nature's preservation. That wraps up our exploration of the oldest type of wood ever discovered. Next time you encounter a piece of wood, take a moment to appreciate its rich history and the stories it can tell. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.